Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared and x. We can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. That's about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, number 16, that's about 4 squared. X, that's about the square root of x to the power of 2. Now we apply the formula in here. And you will have about 4 minus the square root of x multiplied by 4 plus the square root of x. Now we simplify 4 minus the square root of x on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 16 and number 16 go in here to get the final answer. And this one you got 1 over 128. This is the end. Thank you for watching.